In this video, I'm going to be breaking down my trading 212 portfolio. So currently I'm 21 years old, halfway through, and I have about an account worth €24,000. So I'm going to break down each individual stocks that I hold, why I hold them, and maybe some stocks that I'm looking at buying if they drop a bit more. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with my smallest holding. My smallest holding right now is Nike. I really like Nike as a company. Currently, they hold about 43% of the market share in sports apparel, and they hold about 22% as well in the footwear industry. I think it's an amazing company. It's had a really big fall. People used to say, oh no, it's never going under $100 a share. And now look at it, it's about 69, $70 a share. I'm down currently about 3%, and my average price is €71. So sitting right around where I bought it. I have 10 shares of it. I do want to add to the position, but also there's other investments that have kind of been taking up my money recently. But anyway, Nike, I don't really think I need to explain much more. It's an amazing company. I'm just going to hold it for the long term. I really like where it's at. I don't mind buying it if it goes lower, which is the main thing. Anyway, on to the next stock. So the next stock in my portfolio is Alibaba. Now, Alibaba could be considered a bit of a riskier investment because it is based in China, and you know all of the China stuff that's going on at the moment. So I do have 12 shares currently valued at €1,033. I'm down about €30 or about 3% on this position as well, with my average position being 88 euro, €88 60 cents. I like Alibaba as a company. I don't find China companies as risky or as as risky as other people see them, especially if they're at good valuations. I think Alibaba is just going to continue to grow. It's basically an Amazon in China, and I don't believe that with GDP exploding over there, that consumer sentiment is going to fall at all. So I don't believe that I'm going to be adding to the position unless it sees like a serious drop. I just want to continue holding my 12 shares and we'll see where this goes. But anyway, on to the next stock. So my next stock that I'm going to be talking about is actually been my best performer all time in stocks, which is Rocket Lab USA. I got into Rocket Lab in September of 2023 when I wanted to invest in SpaceX, but because I'm not an accredited investor and they're not a publicly traded company, I couldn't. So I started looking at alternative investments in the same industry, and I found Rocket Lab. Since then, they've had great success with their Electron rocket launches and other like business developments that they've had. I'm up right now 556%, which is an amazing gain, but it was my smallest investment. I only ever bought, or I only ever put in about €150 or something. I have seen this go up to over 620% gain, but since then it's fallen back down. But my average buy price is $4.53, and right now it's sitting on $29.22, and I have 41 shares. So I'm really happy with this position. I'm kind of just letting the winner ride, and I'm not really going to sell. I'm not going to buy more. I think I'm just going to hold my 41 shares and just see where it goes. But anyway, yeah, that's been Rocket Lab. So my next biggest holding is a bit different. It's a pie. So basically, my investment strategy is every Friday I invest $100, and if I can't see any investment opportunities in the market or anything that I find that's down or any stock that I want to buy, I just invest in my pie, which is a group of long-term investments that I don't mind buying into each week, regardless of the price. So the pie is split up into segments. So 45% of the money that goes into the pie goes into Tesla, 25% goes into the Vanguard S&P 500, 15% goes into the NASDAQ 100, which is the top 100 tech companies in America, and the Vanguard FTSE All World Accumulating Fund. So that's just the All World fund. Currently, the pie is sitting at €5,435 with a 26% gain. I'm really happy with this because this is just my S&Ps basically, or my index funds that I kind of just put money into when I can't see any other opportunities. So I'm really happy with this gain. It's just happened slowly over time. I don't plan on selling any of these. These are just long-term holds. But anyway, yeah, so on to the next, the biggest holding. So my biggest holding by far is Tesla. Tesla is $15,500 position. I'm currently up 116%. I first started buying Tesla in November of 2023, and I've been buying every single week, and I have not sold a single share. I really like Tesla. I think Tesla is an amazing company. I do believe it'll be the most valuable company in the world between robo taxis and more affordable models. The Optimus robot, full self-driving and full self-driving licensing, and then their energy sector that's just exploding recently in profits and growth. It's been amazing. So I don't plan on selling Tesla anytime soon. I plan on adding to the position, if anything. I do believe Tesla is quite high now. It's at $392 pre-market, with a massive drop today, but earnings are out this week, so hopefully we do get a bit of a rebound. But anyway, I don't really care about the return on Tesla. At the moment, I would have rathered if it stayed going sideways or around the $200-300 mark for a couple more years, so that I could buy. But anyway, we can't really be too disheartened with an $8,000 gain. But anyway, that has been all of the stocks in my portfolio. Now, if you do want to get into stock trading, you can either shoot me a message, or there's a link, it'll be in the description, with referral links to Trading 212 if you do want to start your brokerage account. If you do use my link, you'll get a free stock, and I'll also get a free stock. And you can sell the stock or you can keep the stock, it doesn't matter. You can sell it and instantly take out the money into your bank account if you want to. But anyway, it'll be a free stock. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do want to do more of these portfolio updates on more of a weekly basis, because the market's moving very fast and I'm starting to see a big snowball in my personal investing. So I do want to kind of share the knowledge that I have. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.